Welcome back to another video related to clustering. In this one, we are going to be doing an activity. But before starting it, we are going to have a quick recap of what exactly is support vector machine. Support vector machine. Support vector machine (SVM) is a supervised machine learning algorithm. It is used for both classification and regression. The objective of SVM algorithm is to find a hyperplane that distinctly classifies the data points. We can determine the correct line to separate the data point by a hyperplane using the margin concept. This is a picture of how we use support vector machine and another one. The activity. Based on the weight and the size of the fruits, we are going to classify whether it is an apple or orange. So let's get started with the coding part. As you can see, first of all, we are going to import two tree libraries. Import pandas as PD and from sklearn import preprocessing. Now we're going to read the data and print the top 5 rows. So data is equal to pd.read underscore CSV, and I'll be sharing the link in the description below. Now what we're going to do, we are going to do encoder is equal to preprocessing.label encoder. Why? Because we need to encode some column, which is class. If we did not do that, then it would be apple and orange and would give us an error. Because as we know, computer does not understand English language. Now after we're done storing the variable, we're going to do data class is equal to encoder.fit transform data class, and now we're going to print the top 5 rows to see whether it will work or not. And yes, we will not be doing any EDA process today. Now we're going to plot the scatter plot to see whether it's linearly separable or not. So from matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, we are going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So plt.scatter data weight, data size, and data class. And now we're going to show. So as you can see in our output or our final result, you can see weight is 69, 65, and 72, just like that. And size is just like this, and class is it. I'm guessing that 1 is equal to orange, which it is, and 0 is equal to apple. Now we're going to move on to the next step, which is feature selection. What we're going to do, we are going to store some variables in x and some variables in y. So x is equal to data weight and size values. Y is equal to data class values. Now we're going to provide the training and testing data. So from sklearn.model selection, import train test split. And xtrain, xtest, ytrain, and ytest is all equal to train test split. And xy is equal to test size 0.25 and random state is equal to 42. Now we're going to print the shape. Shape means the column and the rows. So xtrain shape, xtest shape, ytrain shape, and ytest shape. And as you can see, we got 32, 10, 2, 30, and 10. Now we're going to do the last step, which is to train with SVM. So from sklearn.svm, import svc. And svm is equal to svc, kernel is equal to rbf. Now what we're going to do, we are going to fit xtrain and ytrain. And on the end, we are going to predict. So ypred is equal to svm.predict xtest. And now we're going to print ypred. Now the last step is to print the accuracy of the model. So from sklearn.metrics, import accuracy score because that is used to print the accuracy. Now accuracy is equal to accuracy score, ytest, ypred, multiply by 100, and now we're going to print accuracy. And our final prediction result is 100. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, then please do check out my other videos as well. And I would be really grateful if you would leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And comment that this is really grateful. I'll see you then.